To remove the right speaker, first remove the hinge cover, the stand, the speaker cover, and partially separate the rear cover and LCD panel assemblies. Detach the right speaker connector to the motherboard. Remove the connector from its cable guides on the motherboard shielding. Pull the right speaker straight up and remove the right speaker from the rear cover. Before replacing the right speaker, make sure each alignment hole on the speaker has a rubber grommet installed. The grommet may have been left on the alignment post on the rear cover at removal. To replace the right speaker, align the speaker alignment holes over their posts and push straight down. Place the connector into its cable guide on the motherboard shielding. Reconnect the right speaker connector to the motherboard.